question number at the bottom about the non-compete contract. It starts like number 6. So looking through the fact pattern, we can see that our jurisdiction is Arizona. So I'm going to want to make sure first and go and change my jurisdiction to Arizona and unclick Illinois. And then that's going to be helpful to us when we're doing our search. But we're looking first in the ALR. So just as a reminder, the ALR is under secondary sources, American Law Reports. And we can look through here. We're talking about contracts, but that might be too general of a term that's going to be in here. So that's okay. We can search in here and we can look for our, just say non-compete. We search in our ALRs for non-compete. I can do the same thing in Lexis. I'm going to go in here, change my jurisdiction to Arizona, turn off Illinois. She wants to know is whether she can dispute the time and place requirements of the non-compete. So we can talk about looking through here, which one's going to be most on point for what our issue is. So we can say enforceability of restrictive covenant ancillary to employment contract as affected by territorial extent of restriction. So that's great because we are looking for distance. So territorial extent, that's going to be distance. We can click in here. And by the way, this looks the same in Westlaw. So if you click in there, you're going to get the same document. It might be a different font, it might be a little bit different format, but it's going to give you the same ALR article. So if we're up here at the very top, we want to go down to the bottom, and we can see throughout this ALR there is a bunch of different cases. As we move through it, it's going to give us a little bit of general explanation, and then as we go down, it's going to be telling us some other articles that might apply to our situation. But I'm still scrolling.